Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today the title would be like something like how to earn money through Binance, or how you can easily make money through Binance. Okay, so I have already made the video, but that was in the Hindi or Urdu version. I will try to make that in the English as well, as I have got a lot of requests from my subscribers. They want me to make video in the English version. Right now the BTC is going down, so it's a good opportunity to buy. So I thought, why not I make a video on the how to make money on Binance. So what do you have to do? Go to the binance.com. Okay, as usual, you think, go to the Binance. From there you go to the markets. Okay, click on the markets now, and from there let me just turn off the, yeah, this is turned in English. I want it to be, Australian English. It is automatically. Let me convert to USDT. Okay, good. Now go to the markets. Okay, from there go to the spot markets. Okay, click on the spot markets, and then from there click on the fiat markets, just like this one. Okay, I have clicked on this fiat market. Okay, from there you click on the USDT. Now here I clicked on the USDT. Now you can see everything would be paired, with USDT. Okay, now what do you have to do? Okay, normally that would be something like this one, or yeah, this one. Okay, it would be sort out with the volume. But what do you have to do? You have to sort out with 24-hour change. Okay, last 24-hour change. We have to look for that coin which has, went down, let me show you this one. You can see here it has came down 15%, but this is the up coin. Just ignore the up and the down coins. Okay, these are the ETF coins, these are the leveraged coins. Just, stay away from those kinds. Now just sort out with the 24-hour change. Look for the, percentage, and also look for the volume as well, and also compare the last 24-hour high and low. Is the price is near the last time high or last time low? Okay, last 24-hour low. So what do you have to do? Let me show you this one. Link up, down, up, 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 T fuel. Got it. You see, this is not the up coin. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you this one. Okay, T fuel. Everything was these are the the leveraged coins. This one, the T fuel, and this one, Celo USDT. T fuel USDT. You can see here it is down minus 10%. Okay, and we know that it's a good coin and it has a good volume as well. Okay, now we have to look for the low price. This is the high, 24-hour high. This is the 24-hour low. And what is the current price? You can see here it is very near to 24-hour low. Okay, you can see here it is close to the 24-hour low. So I think that would be a good opportunity to, go for the T fuel. And also you can go for this one. But CELO USDT, you can see here this one is also, has a low volume. Although it has a low volume, but you can go for that as well. But I would go for the T fuel. Okay, you see here T fuel. I'm gonna click on the T fuel, but I would go for the, go to the tradingview.com. Okay, T fuel. I have selected T fuel. Okay, why? Because it is down minus 10% in the last 24 hours. With the, this was the last 24-hour low, and the price is near the 24-hour low, and the volume is good. Okay, so it's a good choice. Okay, T fuel, you can see here. Now this is the T fuel chart, guys. Okay, and what I would do, I would place the horizontal lines. Okay, the horizontal support areas, you can see here it is near the horizontal, it is near the low. So I would go for, I would, first trace out the areas. I'm just trying to find out the areas, because this is on the 4-hour chart. So I would be looking for the low time frame. Okay, low time frame for the optimal entries right now. So I'm looking for the swing high candle, the swing low candles as well. This one's a good This can be a good area. Swing low candle, this one. Okay, so just let's just wait for a bit. Let me find out the optimal entries. Okay, I think this is the good area. Now what I would do, I would go forward. Let me show. Yeah, this one. You see here the price already got reacted to this area, and the price is also coming down to this area. So what I would do right now, if I go further down in the 3-hour chart, yeah, you can see here the price is trying to go down, because we have the wick on the upside as well. Okay, and we have another resistance, local resistance, as this area. Okay, you can see here these are the lines. Okay, and you can see the candle has just the candle which is in the formation is trying, it is near the resistance area right now. It can become the support if it goes up. Okay, it can become support, but right now, sorry, but right now it is trying, you see here it is trying to break this area. So I would go for the it can be tricky, but I would place my orders around this area. Let me show you this one. Okay, I would place my orders around this area. This is the buy orders. Okay, I would be waiting for the this candle to test this area, and once it get filled, as it is already down, you can see here, we can take a look at the price. You can see here it is already down 10%, as already shown in the Binance. You can see here minus 10% already down. So I would I can also take an entry here as well. Okay, I can also take an entry around this area, and then I can average down my entries at this place, because right now if we calculate the price, it can further go down minus 2% more, minus 12%. Okay, so right now if I take the entry, it would be 9% down, and if it goes down, it can go down to minus 12%. Okay, so I would again let me check it. Let me turn on the EMAs as well. Yeah, it's way below the the 13 EMA. Let's take a look at the RSI, what the RSI is telling us. Let me show you guys. Okay, RSI, nothing much in the RSI. Okay, although it is going in the upward direction. If we can take a look from this area, you can see it is going in the upside, but here as well we have the same, this one going in the upward direction. So the price is bullish right now. You can see here the price is now going in the upward direction. So I would take an entry here, and I will I would then be taking my profit to the this area. I would be make a, you can see a quick, might be, let's see here, a quick 5%. Okay, on the shorter time frame. So this is the way you can earn money through the Binance by find out the coins, okay, which are down. You can see here we got another entry here, ATA. You can see here now it is down another, but the volume is very low. But let's take a look at the ATA here. Let's take a look at the ATA coin as well. Yeah, it is down. You can see here it is down, guys. So how much? Let's take a look. Yeah, 11% down. Absolutely perfect. You can place your entries around this area. I have already done the areas. Look for the time frame on the shorter time frame. If you are day scalper, look for the shorter time frame. So I have already drawn the areas. So I would place the order around here somewhere, 0.46. You can see the price is going down. We have a candle, a red candle form in formation, and price is also, you can see, about to turn into red, these trend lines. So this is the way you can make money on the Binance with spot, and you can make a handsome amount. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me anything. So to sum up the video, what you have to do, go to the markets, go to the spot markets, from spot markets, go to the fiat, go to the USDT. You can, select your pair as well, but I would suggest you guys to go for the USDT, as it has a lot of volume. The more the volume, the more would be the uh, you know the liquidity. Okay, and there is another way as well. You can sort out with the 24-hour volume as well, with the high volume as well. With the high volume, you can go down, and for example, this one you can see here, this it will list out the top coins. Okay, high volume coins here. The Dogecoin, you can see 8% down. Okay, then we got Shib coin minus 7% down, Matic 8%, Dot 6%. So you can place your orders, around these coins as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. That was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the move. You enjoyed the video. And there on the right side, you can also take a look on the top movers as well. How, for example, this one in 5 minutes, ARDR came down in 5 minutes as well. So let's take a look at the USDT, and then we will make it off. Yeah, it is on the top. That's why it is already on the top side. So not a good boy, not a good buy. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for the video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Take care. Bye.